Do you guys have any? Let's strike a word from our non-sponsors. Do you guys have anything that you guys are enjoying, loving, anything like that?
I got something I'll start about. First, and I think Francisco would appreciate me, I want to give a shout out for our non-sponsor sponsor to Luden's Cough Drops. They taste good. I talk a lot for a living. I talk too much for my own good, so my throat gets a little dry and hoarse and painful. I take a Luden's. It is not like having a Vicks nasty cough drop where you get that nasty, weird mint, but it tastes like ethanol taste in your mouth. This one, nice little strawberry flavoring, dissolves properly. Francisco, I advise you from my non-sponsor sponsor to get it. It's good. It's like $5 a bag. I eat them like they're candy. It's probably going to be the best investment I made this week. Promo code for, of course, is OUCHIES, OUCHIES. Get yourself some Ludens.
Okay. Andrew, you got one.
Yep, I'm going to go with Sam's Club.
Ooh.
For our college students out there, they have cheap memberships. And it's worth it for the pizza. It's just worth it for the pizza. The pizza is amazing. They also have good ice cream, but you can also buy a lot of things in bulk. You can get... Generally, things are just cheaper there. It may be more that you have to pay initially, but per unit price, it's a lot cheaper. So my turkey-loving self, because I put a lot of turkey on my salads and stuff, I get a lot of turkey from there, cheese... you name it, they probably have it. Plus, they have a lot of good furniture. It's air conditioned, so if it's a hot day out, you can go in and relax in there. So, Sam's Club. That is my non-sponsor of the week.
Any promo code?
I don't know.
I got one. We have air conditioning.
Okay, we have air conditioning.
That's their selling point, actually. All right. My non-sponsor of the week is going to go to a local establishment down here in Miami, Night Owl Cookies. Okay. A cookie company, local down here in South Florida, in Miami. They have these insanely diabetic cookies that I love. I can't have them all the time, but I just did order some for myself because I am sick and I decided to treat myself because I wanted to feel better. So I bought their Night Owl cookies. It was one flavor was the Ave Maria, which is the cookie. It has the Maria cookie. If you're Latin, you know what they are, the Maria cookies, with the guava frosting on it or icing on top of it. It's fantastic, very delicious, very delicious. They also have the birthday cake cookie, which is a real treat. And then I got, of course, the classic chocolate chip. You can't go wrong with it. It actually has some cream cheese icing on it with Hershey's Kisses all over it, little tiny ones. Very good, very destructive to my health and my diet. This is the worst endorsement ever, but you can't have this all the time. But I haven't had this in months. That's why I'm giving a shout out to them. I'll get it every 6 to 8 months. Okay, so I decided I'm sick. I'll get it today. Make myself feel a little better. So Night Owl Cookies. If you're down in South Florida, they're on Postmates. They're probably on Uber Eats. If you can't drive all the way to them, I think there's some, I don't know where they are. But they're far away. They're probably in either Doral or Sweetwater or something like that. Promo code is dīəbēdus. So those are our...
Now, let's clarify. Is it diabetes or diabetes?
The way that Wilford Brimley says it.
So diabetes.
Yes, there you go. So those are our non-sponsor folks. So let's go.